This is a short video to show you how to use the tuner on the Fox stomplab. As you can see, it's just, let me turn it off. When you turn it on, this is what it lands on. Stomplab 2G. You can see just settings and all that stuff. So it's working now. But for you to use the tuner, you have to press these buttons simultaneously, like this. Then two stripes will appear, and when you hit the note, like for example the E, it will say that's an E, and it will tell you whether it's too high or too low or just right. So let me show you. So, like that. And when I'm tuning this one, it says A, and you know it's good. And when you're done tuning, you just press one of these, and it's back to normal again. So have fun and good luck with your pedal, yeah!